Hello everyone, my name is Varadarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today I am going to take lecture of my subject name is VQAR 2. So verbal, quantitative and aptitude reasoning 2. So that is the subject which is, we already know that it will be a verbal, quantitative, aptitude reasoning. Okay, the aptitude oriented subject, aptitude questions oriented subject. So here are a lot of topics which can be inculcate the students benefit at the time of interview or placement preparations. It will be very much essential subject in the placement area. So here we are going to see the quantitative aptitude in the topic. Under that particular topic, we are going to say the subtopic name is pipes and systems. So pipes and systems, how it will be useful for by using a various concept and tricks to solve the pipes and systems problem. We will see one by one. So first of all, what is meant by pipes and systems? So pipes means we already know that through the pipe connections only in all our home we can connect the pipe connection to get the water from the overhead tank to our utility purposes. Each and every home through the without plumbing we can't able to get the water. Okay, so that is a true fact. So the same thing. So system also it will be the tank or reservoir which is considered as the systems. So how it will be a concept, it will be related to the time and work. So and also this pipes and systems problem also based on the work done. How much work done? Work done means it will be how much time it will be taken to fill the particular tank or reservoir, or how much time it will be taken to emptying the tank or reservoir. So these are the two concepts. One is inlet and the other one is outlet. So inlet which is nothing but the pipe connected to fill the tank or reservoir. So indicated as the positive one. Okay, the outlet means the pipe which is connected to the emptying the particular tank or reservoir. So it will be indicated as the negative one. Okay. So how the pipes and systems it will be useful for analytical purpose to find out the various problem. Okay. So the inlet we already know that the pipe which is connected with a tank or system or a reservoir that fills it. It is known as the inlet, and the pipe which is connected from the with a tank or reservoir emptying it is known as the outlet. So here the figure which can be considered to explain the how the inlet pipes and the cistern and outlet pipes which can be considered in the various problems. Okay. So let we'll see one by one. Pipes and system important formula. What are the important formulas we are using? If a pipe can empty a tank in Y hours, then part emptied in 1 hour. So 1 by Y. So the pipe can emptying in Y hours. The time taken is the Y. So then in part emptied in 1 hour, which is nothing but 1 by Y. So if your pipe can fill the tank in X hours and another pipe can empty the full tank in Y hours, where Y greater than X, then on opening both the pipes, then the net part filled in 1 hour, which is equal to 1 by X minus 1 by Y. Here in this particular formula, both inlet and outlet pipe which can be opened. Okay, so that is the thing. So whenever the inlet which can be carried out by using a X hours of time, and outlet which can be carried out by using the symbol of Y hours. So the Y hours which has been greater than the X hours. Okay, so then the opening of the both pipes, what is the net part which can be filled in the particular tank in 1 hour. So that is the formula we are using. If a pipe can fill a tank in X hours and another pipe can empty the full tank in Y hours, where here the condition is X is greater than or greater than of Y. Okay. So the X is the hours which can be taken place. Okay. taking place, the how much time it will be taken pipe to can empty the full tank in y hours. So then opening both the pipes, then the net part emptied in 1 hour, 1 by y minus 1 by x. So the pipes and systems important formula. So 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a tank from empty to full in 30 minutes. 3 pipes A and B, C can fill a tank from empty to full in 30 minutes. So, 20 minutes and 10 minutes respectively. When the tank is empty, that will continue in the next video in this particular problem.